A few words about Guru Purnima. At first, a happy Guru Purnima to everyone. Guru Purnima is a special day to honor our teachers help us again knowledge, builds confidence, guides us on the right path. We should always respect our teachers and follow their advice on this special occasion. Let us thank all our teachers for their love, care